Hello my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is me Nandita and today is going to be a review day with me. If you're seeing the face for the first time, do hit the subscribe button down there and keep watching. Let's get started. So I will be reviewing Mamaearth products today. I have two serums from their range and I have used them for a long time now because the video already delay ho gayi hai. I have used them for more than like a month or maybe more than that because I bought them really back on their sale when they had like buy one get one. So मेरे को काफ़ी सही रेट पे दोनों serums मिल गए थे and I wanted some kind of an active serum to include in my routine. So I will start with this. This is the niacinamide serum. Now this active ingredient is very widely popular nowadays and it is used for pigmentation, dark spots. Somehow niacinamide and vitamin C both almost do the same work, but for some people vitamin C doesn't work at all. It gives them a reaction. So before using this product, I already knew that my skin loves niacinamide because I have used it in past. I still remember I had a lot of pigmentation around my mouth. It was like very rigid pigmentation. It was a new pigmentation. It was not prolonged. I went to a dermat and he gave me some kind of medicated kind of a tube, which I discovered later it had 5% of niacinamide in it. So I knew that it worked and that tube also worked very well, but the formulation of the cream was not that great. So I wanted some kind of other serum that had niacinamide in it. The first problem with this product is that in fact almost every product of Mamaearth active range, which I feel is that it does not mention the percentage of the product used in it. For example, I know the tube that the doctor gave me, it was written 5% of niacinamide, like the Clear's vitamin C. There is a percentage written on every kind of an active because the customer needs to know that which percentage they are applying on the face. Always start with less percentage, less amount. That is very important point if you're using any actives. And one more thing which I want to mention in this video is that often it is said that actives are used for like 20 plus, but no, that's not true. Actives can be used after 18 when you have a problem, when you have a concern. For example, if you don't have pigmentation, there is no need for this. There's no need for any kind of active which treats pigmentation. So I've seen people including products for that they might not have pigmentation because that's not how it works. If you have pigmentation, go for it. If you don't, then don't include that in your skin regime. If you are young, like 18, I'm 20 and I was comfortable, and the way I am very sure about this that a 20-year-old, a 19-year-old can use an active on the face is because my doctor gave niacinamide to me, which means I can use it. This is safe for my skin to use it. So the bottle is a glass bottle and it really lasts you really long time. Oily skin type might not even need a moisturizer after applying this, but if you are dry to combination skin type, you will need a moisturizer after this when you put this. It has a very kind, I will show you the texture later on, but this is a very lightweight and it works pretty good. Like a niacinamide shows you some result after some time, whereas vitamin C shows you instant, like 2 weeks it shows you result, but this takes a long time. But because my skin was already exposed to niacinamide before using this, so it didn't take a long time for me to see the results, and this worked very well. If you are looking for, because niacinamide के ज़्यादा options है नहीं इंडिया में अभी, and this is a good option if you're looking for an affordable kind of serum for if you are a beginner. So I really love this a lot. I saw a great difference in my pigmentation and dark spots within few usage. This is how the serum looks like. I will just give you like a close up. It's like this. And you see how well it just goes in and there is nothing left. One more thing that I want to mention is that don't do that Instagram wali harkat where you take this directly and you want to pour it like this. Always go it in your palm like this and warm it a bit with your hands and then go in this motion, not directly with the dropper, because that actually what happens is you are infecting your whole product. You are literally infecting the whole product, because अगर ये इसकी जो tip है, if this tip touches your skin and your skin is not free from bacteria no matter how much you wash it, right? So you infect the whole thing, and that is not the most hygienic thing you want to do with serums. With droppers, so don't follow the Instagrammy thing, drop it indirectly. Always drop it in your palm with a height up so that you don't infect it. Moving on to the second serum, which is the turmeric and vitamin C serum. Again, my very basic problem is no mention of the percentage of vitamin C in it. It comes in a plastic packing. That means it is friendly. It is travel friendly, whereas niacinamide one comes in a glass bottle, which isn't great for travel. It comes like this. The serum is not exactly a serum. It is a cream based serum. It's a little creamier, but again very light. It just absorbs in your skin really fast. But why? Because it does nothing. I have almost finished the whole tube. It is just a little bit would be left. That is also because I wanted to shoot this video, right? And it did nothing. In fact, I've seen some bad results with this product. I have sensitive skin, and when I applied this, I felt few days I didn't just felt okayish, because I will not expect results to come in 2 days. But third, fourth day, I felt that my skin is developing more texture, and vitamin C really helps you with texture. It was giving me texture. Then I thought it's purging, which I can make a whole video on that, so I'm not including in this video. But it was not purging because I had to stop using this product after a while, because this wasn't suiting my skin. And although I have 3 reviews on this, because I used it, my mom used it, and my sister used it. My mom and my sister have normal skin. They don't even have sensitive skin. They did not have any reaction or something like I felt I did, but same, it didn't work out for them also. There were no results, whereas vitamin C shows results rather very quickly, but it didn't show any effect. It comes in this pump format. It's not the dropper way, but it still is nice, right? This is the formulation, and this also just goes nicely in and just gives that liquidy effect. If you can see, it just melts nicely into your skin. But again, no matter how good formulation it is, it does nothing for you. So there's no point of a good formulation if the product is not doing anything. Now I can include this in the list of highly regretted product that I bought. Even it's for 450 or 650, I don't even remember, but it is a huge waste of money. And now a lot of YouTubers have come out saying that this product doesn't work. But when I bought this, there were new reviews on it, and I feel a little sad, because anyway, when a product you buy with high hopes, and none of these products are cheap or affordable. They come in expensive ranges, but when they don't work, I feel no, this is not a good sign, because I am a customer and I need a product that works. I want to spend on a product maybe 100, 200, 300 more, but the product should work at least. So yeah, I did nothing, and the fragrance is pathetic. It has a very mixed, mullety and a lot of different. I cannot even describe the fragrance because it's very weird kind of a fragrance. So yeah, if you're looking for a serum, I would suggest you to go for this niacinamide one than this, because there are very good vitamin C's available in the market. So I would absolutely not recommend you this, but I can surely recommend you niacinamide one. Thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions for me to try out new products, although I'm already trying Juicy Chemistry because a lot of people requested Juicy Chemistry video, so I'm trying their products out, so maybe I will do a video on Juicy Chemistry. But for now, this is a wrap. Thank you for watching, and do let me know if you have used both of these serums and you relate to me, or even if you don't relate to me and you think that vitamin C worked or the niacinamide did work out for you. Do mention in comment section. Do follow me on Instagram, because वहाँ पे मैं छोटे-छोटे reviews दे देती हूँ अपने. And Thank you and bye. I will be back with a video super soon. So bye bye.